Dear friends, another simple recipe is Masoor ki dal. I've taken 1 full cup of Masoor dal. I'll be using 1.5, so I'll take half cup more and I'm gonna wash it. After washing the dal 2 or 3 times, I'm gonna add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon or to taste of red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I usually add the salt at the very end. I'm gonna just mix it. I'm gonna add 1 medium chopped tomato while it's being cooked and let it cook on medium to high flame. Now I'm gonna add 1 medium chopped tomatoes. Mix it and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes on medium high flame. Now the dal looks tender and cooked. I'm gonna hand blend this so the tomatoes and the dal is mixed together nicely and blended together nicely. It really depends how do you guys like it. Turn on the flame once again and see the consistency of it. Let it cook again after blending it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we are gonna do the baghar, the tempering of this dal. For the baghar, I'm using 1 teaspoon of zira, which is the white cumin seeds. Let it cook for 30 to 40 seconds. Then I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of fried onion. This is like 1/3 cup. Put them nicely. Now we'll add a handful of, I have the frozen coriander leaves, so I'm just adding that. Okay. We also have 1 teaspoon or to taste salt. I never add the salt, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon salt to the dal and giving it a mix. And you can check the consistency of the dal if you need more water. Mine looks great, so it's good for our family. So I'm just gonna add the baghar to it and then cover it immediately. After adding the baghar to the dal, I'm adding half a teaspoon of garam masala powder to mix it lightly. Please give this recipe a try. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Till next time, take care, goodbye.